Yambits compare. This is a Yambits repop turn signal. This is a Yamaha one. It's a little modified. The lenses don't have all the same markings that the original Yamaha ones do, but tell you what, these look pretty good. I did try to pop this lens off, but it's really on there tight, so I'm just going to leave it alone. It has the bulb in there. It's ready to go. I was going to try to put the Yamaha lenses on these things, but I guess I won't do that. Not thrilled with the junky fastener they supplied, but I'm going to go ahead and put the stock ones back on here when I put the stock on this thing. But this Yamaha screw or bolt won't go in there. It's just barely not going in. I think I can drill it out with this, because the Yamaha one is about that size. This one isn't. The story quickly changes. So I drilled the holes out to 9/32, but now there is an alignment problem, at least using this shoulder bolt. You can see that these are angled up on both sides, and it's pointing that bolt upwards to where it doesn't align on this side. But I'm going to see if, when I put the stock in there, if that'll help align it. Here's a whole turn signal rebuild. This is the Yamaha part. Take the bolt out, pull the stock out, pull the wires through. I have to go buff this, I'll be right back. This is the Yambits turn signal. Drill these holes out to 9/32 if you want to use your Yamaha shoulder bolts. And they don't align properly, but I'll show you how I overcome that in a minute. Get a teeny tiny bit of O-ring lube, put it on the rubber. Doesn't take much. I couldn't get the first one in unless I did this. Feed the wires through the metal stock. I'm going to have to do one at a time. Don't overshoot, because then you got to pull it back out. The Yamaha shoulder bolt is directional. I want the bolt to go down this way, not this direction. Remember, these don't align properly. Actually, that one did pretty good. This one has a split ring lock washer. The other one had a flat washer. And that fits right on there. So this one is working actually better than the last one I did. The flat washer, I really had to work it to get seated in the recess here. Just about done. I need to tighten this. By the way, these wires are about 2 inches shorter than the Yamaha ones. I don't think that's going to be a problem. But that's it. Not bad for the price. There we go. 2 Yambits left blinkers and 2 Yambits right blinkers ready to go on. I don't think I mentioned earlier, when you get these things, they're all the same. There is no left and right or front and back, because the wire colors are all the same. It's not going to matter. The originals have green and black on one side and brown and black on the other, but these are ready to go on the bike.